Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to recover recently deleted text messages on your iPhone. The first step is to open the Messages app. This is where all your text messages are stored. Once you're in the Messages app, tap on Edit at the top left of the screen. Here you will see a section called Show Recently Deleted. Tap on it. Here you will see all the recently deleted messages on your iPhone. You can notice that conversations show the days remaining before deletion. After that time, messages will be permanently deleted, and this may take up to 40 days. As you can see, here you can select the messages you want to recover and tap on Recover at the bottom right corner. Tap on Recover, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily recover recently deleted text messages on your iPhone. Remember, this method only works for messages that you have deleted within a certain time frame. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.